Right, so another quick update. We're doing great. We're making good progress. All is going well. Hi, guys. Right. So we're crossing Murshidabad. It's a very, very historic town. Uh, Lots of history about the old, not Maharajas, what are they called? The Muslim rulers were called what? The Nawabs. The land of the Nawabs here. So previously we crossed Plassey, which had the very famous Battle of Plassey scenario between Siraj-ud-Dowla and the British. That's a very famous place. We crossed Murshidabad. Again, in addition to history, this is the place for very, very famous mangoes and lychees. People just, it's one of the best in the country. And also, this place is also very famous for the old palaces, which have now been transformed into boutique hotels and heritage hotels. Some of them are like the Bari Koti and the Choti Koti, and definitely, I mean, we haven't stayed there, but I've seen the photos and reviews and videos of it. Definitely a place to stay in. So far we are still, the progress is good. Little bit of traffic whenever there's some cities and towns, so that one has to take that in a stride. But as soon as that clears up, the roads are pretty good, and so in those areas we're doing quite good, absolutely. So yeah, that was a bit of Murshidabad. Maybe next time we'll catch up in a little while. And those barriers are coming up.